Want to know the secret on how to book Virgin Reward flights 2 times faster? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Virgin Reward Seat Finder. And if you stay to the end, I'll show you how I used the Reward Seat Finder to book my family of 5 to Japan for nearly free. In order to understand how much faster the Reward Seat Finder is, using the old method and then using the new method, one took 3 minutes and one took roughly less than 1 minute. Using the Reward Seat Finder, that you could be 2 times faster. So type in Virgin Reward Seat Checker, and then if you press enter, you're going to see Reward Seat Checker. Click on the Reward Seat Checker. Currently, it only supports 2 airlines. So then you can select your original airport that you're going from, you can select your destination, and 12 months out in terms of where you want to go. Here's the secret. This website actually can let you search their database on all the flight availability for both their Virgin and Delta partner rewards. I'm going to help you break it down step by step. I want to go from Seattle to Japan Haneda Airport. So first you would start with origin. So origin, I would type SEA. Second, what is my destination? I would like to arrive in Haneda Airport, which is HND. And it's important that you would enter the 3-digit airport code after the equal sign without any quotation mark airline. Now you can select between Virgin Atlantic, which is VS, or Delta, which is DL. And I am looking specifically for a Delta Partner Award. The last part is when do you want to go? This can be in the month of November of this year, which is 2023. I've created this new URL. Let's enter. You will see Reward Seat from SEA to Haneda with Delta Airline. And the great thing is, after you've created that original URL, you can interact with it just like any other web page. I want to look further in December, or if you want to see the return flight, I just click this nice little reverse. It is so easy now to scan and look at all the availability. What do you do after you found your availability? So this is where you go back to your normal Virgin Atlantic website and you say, I want to go Seattle to Haneda. I want to book the Monday the 20th of November from Seattle to Haneda. And I want 5 passengers, so 3 adults and 3 children. And then I say advanced search, points, search. And lo and behold, there is 5. So I click on this one and I click continue for 137,500 points plus $28. I look specifically for Thanksgiving, 1 week before Thanksgiving and 1 week after Thanksgiving. I know that there are 2 major airports that I want to fly into for Tokyo, which is Haneda and Narita. Go to flight connections and go Tokyo Haneda, and I can look for the different flight paths originating from the West Coast. I know that my options will be Seattle and LAX. I know that Delta and Virgin do not fly into Narita. So we've already looked at Seattle to Haneda. With the power of this, you can quickly scan the availability because LAX is another hub that Delta flies to. I can easily change Haneda to LAX, keeping the dates exactly the same, and that means I could get back at least 1 date earlier. So let's look at November. First availability to fly would be Monday the 20th. So after you found your availability, you can book directly on the Virgin website, or here's the tip. You can call this number on the screen, and this is the Virgin customer service line. Virgin Atlantic lets you hold for 24 hours while your points are transferring. When I transferred my points to Virgin Atlantic from American Express, it actually took 2 hours. In those 2 hours, my flight could have been booked up, and that's why you use Virgin Atlantic to hold flights. If this video was helpful, if you want to travel more with your family for less, then click the subscribe button. Thank you so much.